Guys, today we're going to be opening Freddy Fazbear. And these are all the things you can get. So, let's open them. Let's see. If I can open it. Finally, opened it. Okay, we'll open it up. And this is the newest one out right now. I was gonna just open it, but I'm gonna do it on my YouTube channel. Oh, okay. See, guess what it is? I think it's a Freddy, cause he's my favorite character. No way. I done got that whale. Let's go. I got the whalest one out right now. Whoa. Looks so cool. Oh my. What in the? Let's see. 1 in 72 chance. 1 in 72 chances. Right there, a little Freddy on the bottom. Not that Freddy, that Freddy. That. And that is all for the video. See y'all next time. Bye.